In this guide, I'll show you how to make Verity sound much more natural and closer to the original voice. The setup is simple, and you only need a few mods and a free API key. First, download and install Smiley's Better Voice, which is an add-on for Verity JE. Make sure both of these mods, along with their required dependencies, are already installed in your Minecraft game. Next, open the mods download page and scroll down until you find the Fish Audio Quick Start section. Create a free Fish Audio account and sign in. Once you're logged in, open the API key page and click Create API Key in the top right corner. Give it any name you like. Choose an expiration date or set it to never if you prefer, and then copy the generated API key. Now launch Minecraft and open the mods menu. Select Smiley's Better Voice config, choose Fish Audio, and paste your API key into the API key field. After that, open the Fish Audio Voice library and search for Verity. Browse through the available voices and listen to a few samples until you find one you like. When you've chosen a voice, open its page and copy the voice ID. Return to Minecraft and paste that ID into the voice ID field in the Smiley's Better Voice configuration. If the copied text includes the full URL, remove everything except the actual voice ID before saving it. Finally, save your settings, exit the configuration menu, and make sure your other settings match the recommended configuration. Once everything is set up, Verity should sound much more natural in-game. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.